Good morning, Grateful Rose River friends. It is that time of the morning. Time to get our day going. So come along and join us for today. Yeah, it's a gloomy morning on the homestead. Yesterday we got tons and tons of rain, and we're getting supposed to get rain all day today. So I decided we would go down to, we call it the dungeon, but it's the cellar, walkout slash basement, whatever they want to call it. But got the morning coffee. I'm ready to go. So, made it down into the cellar, and today's project is getting the canning jars organized. We've already made a list of what we have, and we like to keep a tally so that we know what we have down here and what we've used and what I need to remake. I've already moved some of the things over from the other little room over here. Did organize it a little bit the other day, so now it's just time to finish it up and get it up on shelves. Don't have any particular order of how I'm going to do it. I was going to take everything out of the box, but I think I've decided against that because I like to keep everything organized, and this is the best way I can see for it to stay organized. Nice thing about here, it stays pretty much the same temperature all year, so I don't have to worry about my jars getting too hot or too cold. But up here we have, I would say, the stock shelf. I'm going to have to make more room, because I start a vacation next week before my new job. How exciting is that? New job, completely new career. So I think that that's going to be a nice change. But up here we have our V8 juice and our beef and veggie broth, and we have our chicken broth, and we have some freestanding chicken broths over here. Then I decided to put the chicken noodle soup down here and the seasoned turkey that we had from Thanksgiving of last year here. Excuse me. Then I was debating what I should put on here next. I have a few shelves here, and I'm thinking to keep like the get my word out here, the meat-based items on this shelf, then maybe move the jellies and jams to the brown. Alright, anywho, put the jams and jelly on this shelf. Papa Bear just came down and wanted to bring me my list here that we have of all the stuff that we have and how many we have of each. So we'll also keep this down here. I think I'm going to find something to hang it so that we have easy access to it. But until then, we're just going to go ahead and get this started here. So we have the meat-based shelf there. I'm going to bring some stuff in. This is more miscellaneous stuff here. And then we got the miscellaneous stuff, which to me, miscellaneous is like the pickles, the specialty item things that, that I made, like sweet relish and stuff like that. I think Gypsy has joined us this morning. Hey, Gypsy girl. think that's all the food-based items. That one's not going to work. There we go. But yeah, that's what we're working on this morning. Oh, I got empty jars. Don't need those over here. We have a section where my empty jars are going. You can come in here with me. And I'll just put them up here with the rest of them. But all my used jars are basically on this shelf over here, and a lot of my canning stuff here. So, got that taken care of. Sorry having to move y'all so much. But we're going to go ahead and just start sorting through things. I'm going to put this box here. But we got our tomato juice from our tomatoes in the garden last year. So maybe I'll just keep those tomato-based things in here. And this here is tomato juice. See how it's separated? It's not like the tomato sauce, which is thicker. But when we go to use it, we'll just shake it up and it'll mix it all together. So that's that. A couple little jars of tomato juice here. And then let me see. Oh, found some more. When you move, you're trying to keep everything together as much as possible, but sometimes you get a little straggler in a different area. There's the tomato juice there. Found some jellies. Let's see, any tomato juice in there? No, but I have got some tomato sauces. Alright, that's not good. And the inside looks good. I don't know if they got dirty or what. They don't feel sticky at all. But here's some tomato sauce. We'll just put it next to it here. Another tomato sauce. And I like to do tomato sauce. Excuse me. Now don't get me wrong. I make the spaghetti sauces and pizza sauce, all that good stuff. But having tomato sauce on hand, you can be versatile with it and just add herbs to make whatever sauce you need. I do have a little thing here left of the balsamic pasta sauce that I made in one of my videos, so we'll just put that little boy right there. Oh, another straggler. So I'm finding another chicken broth, and I don't think that's going to fit there. I guess we'll move it. And let's see here. Oh, there they are. So yeah, had a couple stragglers. That's okay. We'll get to them now. So basically, in a nutshell, that's what I'm going to be doing this morning since it's gloomy and it's supposed to start raining all day. Can't get a lot of stuff done outside. But who knows what we'll get into. So I had to do a little bit of a rearranging, but I decided to keep all the beef broth and the V8 juice and the beef and veggie soups up here. I've moved all the chicken broth down here. And then I had to put the chicken soup down here as a continuing so I know where it is. And we have our seasoned turkey, and then down at the bottom is our tomato-based things. And then on this shelf over here is our pickles from the cucumbers last year. We have the kosher dill sweet I have 2 cowboy candies left, which my son has already claimed. Then we have some sweet relish and then some pickled jalapenos. Then we moved over here and put our jellies. We have grape, cherry grape. Then I got some of my elderberry syrups, apple pie jam, Moscato jelly. I got strawberry jam down here. Then I put my apple butters on the second shelf. Then on this third shelf over here, there's all of my apple-based products, because I made the apple cider. I've got regular applesauce, cinnamon applesauce. And then down below, I put these on this shelf. It's just the extra canning lids. And down here are the used canning lids that I can reuse. And then my Tadler lids, and then my fermentation weights and lids. So I think that's going to be pretty good for us. I'm sure I'll be adding a lot more. You know, this year couldn't really grow a garden because we were moving during that season. So who knows, I may put some fall gardening stuff in. I do have my herbs growing, and not all of them, of course, but enough to have a little bit of things growing to make me happy. The flowers are doing well. And that's pretty much it for down here. We did find the water solution. Remember how Papa Bear showed you that in the last video, I believe. We found a leaky spigot. It wasn't a lot, but it was enough just to cause some moisture down here. So we were able to take care of that, which is a good thing. And let's head back out. Yeah, I think the sun is trying to peek through. It'd be nice if it was a good sunny day since it's my day off, but we can find plenty to do. Yesterday we kind of took a day off and relaxed a little bit. And getting past right here my little strawberry garden that I'm going to have. Got the cardboard breaking down. Papa Bear got some wood ash that we can put on there, and some soil, and then I can transplant my strawberries from the container that I was growing them in last year. Well, and just like that, the rain has moved in. So, looks like the rest of the day, sorry if this is dark, the rest of the day it looks like will be an inside day again. I only had my 2 days off, and then both days rained, so we didn't get a lot done with the property. Also, I wanted to tell y'all that if you see the videos that get uploaded or whatever, if I'm not in all of them, don't fret. I do work full-time, so and Papa Bear and Carmen are on the homestead full-time, so you might see a lot more of them than you do me, but know that I'm always around. So I think the rest of the day is just kind of be a washout. It's supposed to be like this all day. I think Carmen and I are going to run over to do some errands in town. Go to the store and pick up some things that we need. And then kind of just have another day of relaxing, you know. So much you can do, especially on rainy days. But thank you for coming along with me today, and I appreciate you. And make sure that you like and subscribe. And hit that notification bell. And I'm losing, once you guys be able to see me, there we go. Hit that notification bell and share our content. That's the best way to help us. We love you and we appreciate you, and we hope to see you soon. Be looking out for our videos so you know what we're doing every day. on the Grateful Rose River Homestead. Peace out, everyone.